Obama worshippers adapted the gesture as a sign of unity, never realizing that Hitler's plans made the exact same gesture over 75 years ago. He also used this gesture as a supposed sign of unity. But the unity that it actually represents is a cult, the unity of the satanic trinity of the Antichrist, false prophet, and the dragon, Satan. The triangle is a Masonic symbol as well, that traces all the way back to Kabbalah, as it was practiced in ancient Babylon. It is taught in both Kabbalah and Freemasonry that the prophet Enoch was given a supposed secret sacred name, the Tetragrammaton, and inscribed it on a triangular golden plate. According to Masonic legend, he then hid it underground on Mount Moriah, which is the site where Solomon's temple was subsequently built. This is one of the reasons, and even in supposedly Christian churches,
Mitsubishi Electric Systems, it's a picture of and lower energy bills.